Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some paintings to show you today, and they come to us from Colorful DIY. Thank you, Colorful DIY, for letting me pick out a few things to show everybody. I think I have some really nice stuff here, and I think you're going to want to see them. So let's get into it. Let's not waste any time. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you like what you see, and you come back and see more stuff in the future. Let's start very Christmassy because I'm in the spirit. I've been decorating and I'm in the spirit. Look at that. It's just a beautiful package, all beautifully done up for Christmas. Look at that poinsettia on there, that bow. How pretty is that? This has 7 different drills for it. And you can see these great big gems here. It's going to be delightful. There's some little 5s sprinkled around there. I think it's just beautiful. Now, there were more than one gift that you could purchase. So when you look, they may come up all together in a grouping and you pick the one you want, but there's a couple of varieties of the packages. And it was hard to choose which one I wanted to get. Sometimes when they have collections like that, I want to get everything in the collection. And then I'm like, ah, but I really need to, switch it up and get some different stuff to show you guys. So our rhinestones are very light pink, a red, a clear, a green, and that's it. That's it for the rhinestones. Pink, red, clear, and green. Here's our specials. That's probably the number 5. The smaller, round, smooth little balls. Then we have some big ones. You know where those are going. And then here's red teardrops, faceted. So, the 5, the 6, and the 7. They're all right there. I think it's super, super pretty. I love it. Okay? 30 by 30 size. These canvases, I noticed, some of them are very, very pliable. Like this one, it's like almost a different type of material. Kind of interesting. Look at this. Okay, call it what you want. Some people will say it's a fox. I'm just calling it a little dog. You know how I am with fox, but I couldn't resist this one. It is so cute. Look how cute it is, just sitting here in the leaves with some flowers. It has 8 different drills. I loved it. I thought it was super cute. Look at that face. Look at that face. It's darling, isn't it? I think the only special drill I see is this A. I don't think there's anything else. I think the rest will all be rhinestones. Let's look and see. Super cute. There were some other animals too. All right. Again, they have like these collections. Everything's kind of similar. So what colors do we get? Blue rhinestones, clear, orangey brown color, a lime green, kind of a gray. Oh, black. Okay, we get regular black drills and we get some orange. And then there's our A, the gold balls. Love it. Super, super cute. All right, let's set that one over there. What's next? Ho, 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 jolly ho, ho, ho. He's just saying hello and candy canes, right? Isn't that cute? That is so cute. I love it. So we got Santa there and candy canes, and it's just so festive and jolly, isn't it? 9 different drills for this one. Where do I see special drills at? Where do I see some special drills? Special drills. There's some here in like this little snowflakey sparkle. Oh, and some up here. That looks like that's about it. Looks like the rest will be rhinestones. Oh, no, maybe not all rhinestones. I see something else in here. Let's show you. All right, let's start here with our typical, what we would expect. Red rhinestones, green rhinestones, champagne, another red, clear, green. And then we have these. Oh, yay, we have AB, white AB. I'm hoping that is all of his beard and things. Let's see. Number 7. It is. All of his beard, all of his hair, mustache is all white AB. Yay. Okay, here's some of those little marquee. They're clear iridescent. Those are super pretty. And some red. Those are smooth red marquee. Love it. Okay, I like the beard. I like the beard action we got going on there with the white ABs. Okay, next. Well, let's just switch gears completely and let's go very springy and butterfly, right? That's super pretty though. I love that one. I can see A, B, C. There's at least 3 special drills in this one. I loved the colors, the blues and the pinks. I loved the colors of this. There's 7 different drills for this one. I thought this one was super pretty. Of course, there's more than one butterfly. It kind of has that paper quilling look to it, where, you know, you get that sense? I mean, I did when I saw it, but I loved it. Loved it. Okay. Drills. I know, you gotta listen to all these packages. Opening of the packages. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Absolutely stunning color. That's gorgeous. I hope it's like all of this. It is. Like all of that outlining is that color. Oh, I love it. And there's a pretty pink to go with it. A darker blue and another pink. So that's our main colors right here. I love that. Oh, I love those colors together. Well, let's continue with the specials. We have smooth pink marquees. That's beautiful. We have cobalt blue round. And we have some more pink, smaller, little faceted marquees. I love it. Can you poof, be done? Just poof, be done. I want to see it. If it was only that simple, right? If it was only that simple. And here's our last one. We have this beautiful, colorful owl. I recently got a colorful owl, but I think it's different than this one. I'm going to have to check the stash, but I think it's different. I see special drills here for the claws, his talons, some special drills up there, and the rest just look like a whole array of beautiful rainbow colored rhinestones. There are 10 different drills. Let's roll them and see what we get. So we get a green and a blue and a yellowy gold, yellowy, lemony yellow. That's what I meant, lemony yellow. Purple, pink, blue. See, these have some of that like dusty look inside them. Orange, another yellow. What's different between that one and that one? Okay, this one's more gold and this one's more green. Goldy green. Okay, here's our specials. Oh, there are our claws and there's those feathers on top of his head. Nice. Love it. Okay. All right, what do you think? What's your favorite? I'll link them all below. Of course, I'll link them all below. Let's see if I can do this. Slide them all over. Ta-da! What's your favorite? I don't know. Right now, I'm in the Christmas spirit, so I don't know. I love the package. I love that butterfly. That butterfly is amazing. I think it's so pretty. I'm in love with the colors, the blue and the pink together. I adore it. I'll link them below. Let me know what you think. What are your thoughts? What's your favorite? Let me know. Okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you come back and see more videos and hit that like button. Subscribe. If you are new here, that would be wonderful if you subscribe so you can know when I have more videos and come see more stuff. We have fun here. We do all kinds of stuff. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you really soon. Bye, everyone.